I used to feel that I deserved a lot more, and I
Even
would
I
get
think so.
bitter.
Even I think so.
Right in the beginning of my career, where I was feeling angry and I was feeling like why, and things like that.
You look so innocent, and
I look,
that's
I
what I'm
look very
saying.
innocent.
That's what I'm saying. That you look so innocent.
And it was Indra Kumar, and he'd like done Dil and Beta and La La, and I closed my eyes. I was like, yes, I'm doing the film. Girl Next Door, Sweet Girl, Wife, La La La.
आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसी शख्सियत हैं जिनको मैंने हमेशा सिर्फ और सिर्फ मुस्कुराते हुए देखा है एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी वेरी रेयर अचीवमेंट दैट समवन कैन स्माइल एट ऑल पॉइंट्स ऑफ टाइम एंड एक्सूड सच पॉजिटिविटी ऑब्वियसली वी टॉकिंग अबाउट मंजरी फडनिस प्लेजर हैविंग यू ऑन बॉलीवुड हंगामा एंड इन द हंगामा ऑफिस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एंड मुझे आप प्लीज़ ये राज बताएं मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि दैट ये आप हमेशा इतना पॉजिटिविटी आप कैसे मेंटेन कर लेते हैं
Because life has been positive to me, so
Right.
I might as well, right? God, I'm sounding like an amma, like a ma or something.
Right. No, you're not. But it's a way of looking at it actually, because many people they tend to, they may turn cynical. They can take small things in a negative light, and they can just snap off like that. But I've always seen you smiling.
See,
whenever I've met you, you have this very positive vibrations, and you're extremely courteous, which is I think wonderful as well.
Thank you.
So, ये कुछ आप राज बताएं? I think people can
No,
learn
but there
from
was
that.
a time, like, initially, ek to I came to the industry much before I should have. I was like really small, and I didn't know how to, do so many things.
Right.
And, I used to feel that I deserved a lot more, and, I
Even
would
I
get
think
bitter.
so. Even I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, so there was a time in the beginning, right in the beginning of my career, where I was feeling angry and I was feeling like why, and things like that. But
जाने तो ये जाने ना after.
not after Jani Tu, even before Jani Tu, if I may say so, and even after Jani Tu for some time. But then I kind of realized a few things in life when I'm like, I got bored of being angry. So,
Okay.
And then I had read this very interesting book called Magic by Dr. Brian. No, that's different. Rhonda Byrne. So that kind of made me realize, man, I have so many things to be thankful about, grateful about.
Absolutely.
And coming from a completely non-filmic background, I have been constantly getting work, even though my first film did not work. And there's so much happening. I mean, so why am I being angry? I mean, I started like, then enjoying my work much more. And yeah, so I think being grateful is very, very important in life.
Being grateful is extremely important. Okay, now one other aspect that I find a bit intriguing, I thought that I'll ask you.
Okay.
And I'm saying it in a very serious manner. I'm not saying that we can be fun and games and all that. We will have some funny segments with you later, entertaining segments. But I just want to, and this absolutely I'm not judging at all.
Huh.
I just want to understand one thing, that you have this very girl next door and a very bright personality, and someone you look so innocent. And
I look.
that's what I'm saying.
Very innocent.
That's what I'm saying, that you look so innocent.
Oh.
But you have done certain films which can be slightly on the steamier side. You've done like a Grand Masti for that matter. You've done in Warning. There is absolutely no harm in that.
Yeah.
You've worn like a bikini in Warning.
Right.
I was watching one of your digital films, Caught,
The God.
where
Oh, shit.
you've pushed the envelope to a different extent altogether. So, is it a conscious decision in a way to just break the stereotypes, or is it you're experimenting, or what exactly is it?
I don't think it was a conscious decision to do something like that. I mean, I have been choosing from whatever's coming my way, the best thing that I feel interests me at that particular point of time. When Grand Masti came my way, I had not even heard the script, and it was Indra Kumar, and he'd like done Dil and Beta and La La, and I closed my eyes. I was like, yes, I'm doing the film. And then later when I read the script, I was like, wow, I really enjoyed it. I loved working
absolutely.
on that film.
One should be unapologetic about it. Yeah.
And I really had a great time working on the film. I mean, Induji is amazing, and the film did very well. So that worked for me. And my character in that was actually given to me according to the personality, what you're talking about, what comes across.
Exactly.
The innocence that comes across.
Yeah.
So
We'll discover the not so innocent side very soon. Okay, please.
So yeah, so my role in the film, I think, amongst the girls was probably the most innocent one.
Right.
So yeah, I mean that was one, and then Warning. Warning was a very intense film. So the bikini thing was very. It was just consequential of the situation we are in the film.
Absolutely.
Because we're making ropes out of the clothes we are wearing and things like that.
Absolutely.
So I did not even think. I mean, I was like, God, this is an opportunity I'm getting to perform in a film, which is probably a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I think it was a great script, and
It was good film.
Yeah.
It was good. Unfortunately,
Yeah.
sometimes the releases, the way they tend to happen, it was a
Right.
good film for sure.
But that was one of the most beautiful experiences of my life. Those 2 months in Fiji is something I'll always cherish, and even the team I worked with, I think we are still great friends even today. So
Right.
that, and then the court, coming to that.
Coming to court, please allow me. The fact is, and so, I have absolutely no issues with that. The
Yeah.
fact is that here a woman is actually making the initiative.
Yeah.
That she's the one who's not really happy with the fact that that the guy is not really able
Yeah.
to satisfy her maybe the
Yeah.
way she would want to be, which is absolutely because आजकल कुछ पता नहीं होता ना, आप कुछ भी बोलें और एक feminist angle आ जाता है कहीं ना कहीं, that you start getting trolled for that. But still, I have absolutely no issue with that. But it's an interesting thing. I find it progressive when a woman says that she
Yeah.
needs as well, that even she has needs, and let's be practical about
Yeah.
it. And you are absolutely bindas about that as well. So वो भी एक जो आपका sweet and innocent जो आपका एक अवतार है, उसका थोड़ा सा कुछ यार ये कौन सी मंजरी है?
So, हमारे कंट्री में एक अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक चीज़ हो जाती है, you get typecast.
हाँ जी.
So, because of a way I look, people assume that, okay, she is innocent, she is this, Miss Goody Two Shoes, sweet girl next door, whatever, So, but as an actor, I mean, I'm much more than that. I mean, if I'm given a particular character, I can mold myself, and that is why I'm an actress, right?
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, people don't imagine so deeply, and half the times I don't get cast for a lot of roles because people don't see me in those kind of roles. I'm not trying to say only the essential kind of roles, but in any role for that matter, because they've just seen me in one particular way. But as I said, I want to explore myself much more as an actress. I mean, I don't believe I have a limitation as an actor. I want to keep pushing my limits and do more interesting things and things that I think I can't do, but I will prove myself wrong. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
So I was at that particular point in life personally where I was feeling professionally, I was very bored of the kind of roles like, girl next door, sweet girl, wife, la la la, was coming my way. And I was like, okay, I think I can do more than that. And just at that time, I got a call from Preeti, who's from Hamara Movies. So we did Khamakha together, which won a film fair last year. And so they were making this short film, Caught. And she's like, hey, read the script, see if you want to do it. I read it and I was laughing. I was like, okay, I would love to watch it, but do I want to do it? Because it would be like, will I be able to watch with my parents?
Sure.
or whatever, or will I be able to do it? So then I just thought maybe that really actually challenges me as an actor. So I kind of decided, yes, why not? And I knew the director. Gaurav is a very, very, very talented guy.
Sure.
He's got a very good sensibility as a director. So I knew for a fact that I know it will not look cheap, vulgar or anything. And besides, I won't perform it like that. I'll let it be very real and very natural. And therefore we changed the look also a lot. Like, I did all tan makeup and, so then I think it worked fine.